My team has received a lot of queries from a lot of you, especially the CMA Foundation students who have given their examination on 5th of September 2021, that sir, you are suggesting that we should start our studies of Group 1 immediately. But sir, what if, 1% possibility or 0.5% possibility, what if we do not get through our CMA Foundation examination and we flunk in CMA Foundation examination? Then sir, what will we do then? Would our fees be stuck? Would our fees be lapsed? Would our fees be unrecoverable? What will happen to our fees? That is a point of consideration in all of our minds before we start coaching for Group 1 of Intermediate as suggested by you. So yes, considering your tension, considering your concern, I had a discussion with all the faculties of Bright Vision Academy Group 1 to make out a way of how to get through this particular problem, how to solve this particular problem, give you a comfort that your money will not get wasted, it will not get elapsed. We have come out with a solution. So guys, the solution is that we will provide you a reservation scheme on the fees. What do you mean by a reservation scheme on the fees? So you have to pay whatever fees you are paying to Bright Vision Academy. That fees will be reserved for you if you do not get through your CMA Foundation attempt of 5th September 2021. So assuming that you clear your CMA Foundation attempt, the results are due in October 1st week or 2nd week or so. So suppose you clear your examination, then your attempt in which you will be eligible to give your Group 1 will be June 2022 attempt. Suppose you do not get through the examination CMA Foundation and you flunk in CMA Foundation. God forbid, it is not going to happen. I'm very sure about that. But still, if 1% chance that happens, then guys, your fees will be reserved. What do you mean by reserved? So I'll demonstrate this. So 5th September is the date when you have given your foundation examination. The result is due, suppose in the first week of October, 2nd week of October. We are not clear about this as yet, but suppose the result is due anywhere in October. So if you purchase the classes now and if you clear your foundation attempt, then there's nothing to worry because your classes will be valid till June 2022 and you will be able to see your classes. All the lectures will be available with you and you'll be able to see all those lectures. So no worries in that situation. But the worry is, so if we flunk in October result, whatever is the result, if we flunk in October result, then what will happen? Then guys, your attempt then will be June 22 attempt. Intermediate, your attempt will be June 22 attempt because then you will be giving the next attempt of CMA Foundation. Then your attempt will be December 22 attempt. So if you flunk in the month of October, suppose, God forbid, I know that is not going to happen, but still, if you do not get through in the month of October, then guys, your classes will be stopped and your fees will be reserved for December 22 attempt. So whenever you give your CMA Foundation next, you come back to us, you get your classes activated again for December 22 at no additional charge. There'll be nothing which will be charged from you. Your fees will remain as it is. Now suppose during this period, month of October to December, during this period, if the fees goes for an escalation, then you will be immune to that escalation and whatever you are paying to us, that will be the final fees that you'll pay for December 22 attempt. Now suppose you again flunk in CMA Foundation examination and your attempt is now June 2023. Then guys, your fees will again be reserved till June 2023. So this is the reservation scheme within which your fees will never be lost. Your fees will never be at a risk of losing out. So do not worry. Start your classes. We want you to start your classes at the earliest so that you do not spend time in miscellaneous stuff which you want to do. Guys, as of now, you are really geared up because your schedule has been made. You are already, you have been studying for past 3-4 months for CMA Foundation. So your body is actually in that mode of, studying. That beast mode is still on. I don't want that beast mode to go off. So that is why I want, since your beast mode is on, please continue your classes for the intermediate examination. Please purchase your classes from wherever you want to purchase. Please purchase them ASAP and start your classes. Do not wait for your results to come. Do not waste that 1 month in just waiting for your result. Start the classes immediately. I can vouch for it. I can guarantee you your fees will not be wasted. Your fees will not be waived off. So with this scheme, I hope that the fear which is there in CMA Foundation students who have given their attempt in on 5th September 2021 is now over. That's how what will happen to us if our fees, if our exam is not cleared, then will our fees be wasted? No, your fees will not be wasted. Please rest assured that your fees will be absolutely safe with us. That will be carried forward to the next attempt, and next attempt you won't have to pay anything extra, and that fees will be as it is applicable to the immediately next attempt. Plus, there is one more benefit which Bright Vision Academy is offering you. So for all the students who will buy the package of CMA Inter from Bright Vision Academy, they'll be getting free of cost package of CMA Foundation if they flunk in the October attempt. So currently you will be given CMA Inter classes till October validity. In October, if you flunk, if you are not able to qualify your CMA Foundation, then your subscription for CMA Inter classes will stop and your subscription for CMA Foundation classes will start. And that subscription will absolutely be free of cost. So whatever revision you want to, because you must already be prepared with your CMA Foundation, guys. Now there's no way that you have not prepared CMA Foundation, because you have already given an attempt. It is just a matter of revision. We'll give you revisionary classes of CMA Foundation if you fail on October, in the October result. If the result is in October, we don't know actually. Result can also be September end or October starting or mid. Let's wait for the official notification. But if you flunk in the October month result, then we'll be providing you CMA Foundation classes, revisionary classes. Actually, they'll be full-fledged classes, absolutely free of cost, so that you can revise your syllabus till your next attempt. This is an additional benefit which Bright Vision Academy is going to offer to all the students who flunk. So do not worry. All your queries which we've got in last few days since I have put my earlier video that start studying for intermediate, we have taken cognizance of your problems and we have found an amicable solution. This is a solution which will be absolutely in a win-win kind of a situation for all of you. So do not worry, start your studies now, guys. Please do not waste your time in several things, in just saying that, sir, we have just given our foundation, now we want to relax for 1 month or so. Do not be in that attitude. You are on the beast mode right now, Continue that beast mode in your intermediate examination as well. Now, some more feature of the classes. So Delhi NCR student can also avail face-to-face classes, which has been started in Lakshmi Nagar. And yes, face-to-face I'll be teaching direct tax. Intikhab sir will be teaching accounts. Costing will be taught by Imran sir, and Vardhan Suman will be teaching law. Description contains the demo classes of all of the teachers. Face-to-face classes have been started. Delhi NCR students, of course, if you are willing to come to Delhi, then that is also possible. Face-to-face classes for those students, and online batches are of course available. Recorded classes are available for all of you. Then unlimited views will be given to you, guys. The views of the video lectures will be unlimited, so you can watch the video lectures for 10 times, 20 times, whatever you want. But I'll tell you roughly an estimate out of my experience. So you need two views to watch the lectures for the first time. So a subject like direct tax, you would require to see one concept twice. So 2 views will be used for your first viewing, and at max 2 more views will be required during the revision time just before your examination. So max a student requires 4 views, but we have not put any restriction on the number of views in our lectures. You can watch our videos for unlimited number of times, and yes, you can make your friends also watch those videos if they can come to your home and share your laptop. So you can ask your friends also if they are not able to clarify any of the concepts of direct tax or costing or financial accounting, and ask them to join you and watch those videos. So we have given unlimited views for all our videos. Of course, hard books specially curated using the study material of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India have been will be supplied to you. All the hard books are based on Institute of Cost Accountants of India study material exclusively. These are exclusive classes, not meant for any other professional course, but for CMA intermediate only. Okay. Now, one very peculiar feature about the video lectures will be that validity will be till examination. Okay, guys, we do not provide validity of 6 months or 9 months or 12 months and so on. We do not commit on a time period within which your videos will lapse. No, the commitment is that your videos will be played throughout the time till your examination. So I'll give you an example. Suppose the students who have given their examination on 5th of September, they qualify that foundation examination and they come in CMA intermediate. So guys, CMA intermediate examination will happen in the month of June 22. In the month of June 22, your exam will happen. Okay. Now, the classes will be valid till June 22. But suppose for any unforeseen reason, if the exam extends till say August 22, then guys, your validity will be extended till August 22 without any additional cost. So the validity is not based on period, but validity is based on your examination. We do not want you to suffer in case examination gets postponed. We don't want you to suffer. We want you to see the classes till the last moment. If any help is required, of course, students do not watch the classes till last moment, but you know, sometimes we need to revise certain concepts, certain a particular video, certain concept at the fag end towards our examination. We don't want you to suffer. We want you to watch your classes till the examination. So validity is not for 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. It is till your examination. Whenever is your examination due, based on that, your validity will be there. So 5th September students will have a validity till June 22 as of now. If they extend beyond June 22, then August, September, whatever will be the validity. Extension will be absolutely free of cost. Live sessions. Currently also live session is happening every week, every day. Intermediate students live session is happening. So those intermediate students who are already giving October 21 attempt, for them, please, if you're not in those live sessions and test series, please call 9643929913. Number is given in the description box below. Join those live sessions immediately. Daily live session is happening for one day say financial accounting, other day OMSM, other day direct tax, other day costing, law. So daily live sessions and test series are happening for most of the subjects. So please join those live sessions immediately. They'll be very, very useful to you. And for the students who are going to join our course, who are going to join CMA intermediate course, for them, there's an information, guys. We provide weekly live sessions for almost all the subjects. One subject is not going on currently, but from next week that will also start. So for all the subjects, live session will be happening. So yes, you have interaction with the even if you have taken video lectures, you'll have interaction with the teacher. Test series will be taken on a regular basis. That is very, very important for qualifying your examination, according to me, because unless and until you test yourself periodically, you will not be able to gauge whether you are suitably prepared for the examination or not. So that is very, very important. Live session and test series. Then regular doubt clearing session for all the teachers is there. There's a stipulated time period for which teacher will be available, and doubt clearing session will happen. So that is also not a problem. If you face any problem with respect to these teachers, if they're not picking up your call, if they're not responding to your message, you can directly message me, guys, on my WhatsApp number, and I'll take care of it. So yes, these are the benefits that we as a team of Bright Vision Academy and all the faculties have brought to you for your benefit. Please now wave off all your fears, all your anxieties, all your concerns, and start studying. Studying is the most important thing which you can do right now. Start studying. And with all these features which are there with these video lectures, like unlimited views, validity till examination, live session test series, I'm sure it is a lucrative package for you. Actually, it is a absolutely clear way to clear your CMA intermediate examination. All you need to clear your CMA intermediate examination are these steps which are being provided to you. That's it. If you are regular in live sessions and test series, if you religiously watch the video lectures, if you once in a while visit our vicinity and facility premises for live sessions, and you interact with our teachers on a daily basis, if you do all those stuff, I'm very sure not only CMA Foundation will be qualified, but also CMA Intermediate will be qualified in first attempt. And yes, those warriors who have decided to give both the groups in June 22 attempt, yes, we have special packages for those warriors as well. But as of now, guys, on a prudent basis, start first group first. then move on to the second group. Even if you have decided that you will give both the groups, no doubt about it that you will be able to clear both the groups. I am very sure about it. No problems in that. But as of now, start the first group first, complete it within the stipulated time period, and then move on to the second group. So yes, no need to worry. Don't take tension. Be happy and study well. Study well. That beast mode should be on, and that should drive you to your next target, which is CMA Intermediate. And yes, Bright Vision Academy and myself are always dedicated to your success, to your growth. We are committed to make you CMAs. On that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.